Yamaha MT-07 Best Naked Bikes. Naked bikes, fast, agile, relatively comfortable to ride and, let's face it, damn hot to look at. No wonder this segment of the motorcycle market has been rapidly gaining popularity since the turn of the century. All major motorcycle manufacturers have naked bikes in their range. So let's see which ones stand out from the crowd and should be considered the best nude bikes. What is a naked bike? Technically, any motorcycle without fairings could be called a naked bike. In reality, what we're talking about when we say a naked bike is a slightly modified sports bike with little to no fairings. The term naked bike comes from undressing, removing the fairings, from a sports bike. In the late 1980s and early 1990s, racers with crashed bikes and empty wallets began to upcycle their damaged two-wheelers. Broken plastic fairings were removed and an inexpensive handlebar that promoted a more upright riding position was installed. The addition of lights allowed these bikes to legally take to the streets, where the remaining scars from the battle were a badge of honor. These early street fighters became so popular that the trend moved from the do-it-yourself garages to the production floors. Ducati was the first to produce naked motorcycles at the factory. Their 1993 release of the Ducati Monster ushered in a new design era. Until then, the frame and engine parts of motorcycles had been tucked away behind the plastics. But with the unveiling of the Monster's iconic trellis frame, the beauty of the practical became the secret weapon of the best naked bikes. Although only the appearance of the engines was changed at first, the factory production of naked motorcycles also brought minor changes in performance. In general, naked bike engines will be out of tune compared to their sport bike cousins. With more torque lower down, it comes at the cost of a few miles at the end of the speed range. These changes make a naked motorcycle more suitable for road and urban riding than traditional superbikes. Yamaha MT-07. The Yamaha MT-07 has been a household name in the naked bike category since its inception in 2014. This mid-displacement, mean machine sports a 689 cubic centimeters inline twin-cylinder engine. Add to this an assertive riding position, compact frame design and standard ABS, and you've got yourself the perfect street fighter. Key specs. Engine, 689 cubic centimeters inline twin-cylinder. Transmission, 6-speed. Power, 73.8 HP. Torque, 68 Nm at 6,500 RPM. Wet weight, 395 pounds. Seat height, 31.7 in. What are naked bikes best for? To answer this question, we should go back and consider what a naked bike is. With their origins solidly rooted in the superbike and sport bike segments of the motorcycle market, naked bikes were firstly designed for performance. They are powerful, fast, and incredibly fun to ride. Their perfect power-to-weight ratio makes for easy handling, even for beginner riders. That is if you don't jump on one of the 1000-plus cc machines straight away, although, who are we to judge? Naked bikes are perfect for daily use in the city and urban commuting, as well as weekends in the hills or canyon carving sessions with friends. The more upright seating position of these bikes is comfortable across disciplines. The best naked bikes are relatively light, making them easy to maneuver through traffic, or in and out of parking spots. Then, when the weekend rolls around, simply twist the throttle for some serious fun. Naked bikes are fast on the flats and balanced in corners, making them perfect motorcycles for short trips and scenic rides in the mountains.